Hey everyone, today we'll have a look at the ZmBIZI Z1. It's a brand new Android phone from a new Android brand called ZmBIZI. And they have an interesting take on this. This is the first phone ever that actually pays you to use the device. Quite the opposite of any other Android phone, which actually makes money off of you, the user. And they have an interesting take. You get a debit card that if you live in the US, you use the services, you can actually get the money out of the ATM. It also has a point of sale terminal, so you can be a merchant on the go. It's also the world's first mobile phone with THX spatial audio. And it's the world's first mobile phone with gesture-controlled video and editing. It has iHeartRadio, music wherever you want to go, and this is the super app lifestyle ecosystem from ZmBIZI, which actually enables them to pay you to use their services. It has all the common standard setup, 12 megapixel camera, Gorilla Glass, all the bells and whistles. But can it actually deliver for $299? It's a really cheap price point, but let's have a look. I bought this device on Thursday last weekend. It got shipped to me with FedEx over the weekend, landed here in Oslo today, Tuesday. And let's have a closer look at this. Let's get this shipping packaging out of the way. And it's purple. That looks pretty cool. Let's get this thing open. See what's really inside. The material of the box feels pretty cool. Shiny, this ZmBIZI logo. Purple's kind of cool. And then first thing we see, there's actually a full see-through back of this phone. And you can wonder, like, is anything missing here, or should it actually be this way? Yes, it is. Like this is the way it should be. And it's by design. And it's pretty cool. Like, you can actually see the inner workings of this device. So it's a full glass backside, full glass front side, and it feels pretty good. It has a good weight, feels good in the hand. I can easily hold it one hand, two hands, left hand works. And yeah, this is decent product. If we start looking at the hardware though, it has a front-facing camera up top right in the small notch. Has a speaker right next to it. A small LED indicator looks to be in there. The Gorilla Glass feels sturdy. As you can see down, we have a USB-C port, dual speakers, and we have on the side here a purple function button. That's pretty cool. Stands with the brand. Then we have the volume buttons on the other side, and we have the SIM slot. You can slot it out, and I think you can put an SD card in there as well. This device has 64 gigs of memory installed already, so you'll be with plenty of space for now. It also has a 3.5 jack to enjoy your favorite headset. And as you can see, like, it's pretty cool. You can see inside of the device, like, you can see the screws in this device. THX logo, ZmBIZI name tag. And here you can see the inner workings. Like, you can see a fingerprint scanner connected there. We have a dual-facing rear camera. I think this probably on the back here is the antenna, I think. But yeah, you can see the 12 megapixel dual camera. It has an LED camera light. That's handy. Overall, it's pretty cool. Let's peel off this protective plastic now and get into the actual device. It feels really nice. Like, this feels like good product. Front side, back side, both of them like really sturdy. It feels like there's some plastic here. Let's get that off as well to really see it shine. There we go. That looks amazing. It actually feels really good. This feels like a high-end smartphone. And remember, it's a $299 phone. Powering it on, you can see the ZmBIZI logo, powered by Android. This is stock Android, so there's not a ton of bloatware in here. Makes it run smooth, makes it fast. And here we can hear it, like the THX audio. It feels, yeah, this feels really cool. It's like being back in the IMAX theater. The first thing that we see now getting this device on, it's a pure Android device. You have all your Google services right at hand. You have Google Play. And then, like, up here, you can see this is the ZmBIZI ecosystem. This is the super app where you will be, let's just sign up here. I'll just make an account here, there we go. And here you can see all these apps in the super app ecosystem. You have the debit card from MasterCard straight up there. You need to be an American citizen to have that though. I sadly can't get that, but you can see this is where you collect your points. You pull out your card, go into an ATM, withdraw it simply. THX, create a personalized audio experience for you. And then let's look at active video. ZmBIZI is promising us video you can touch, feel, and play. And the first thing we see here is like there's no buttons to click. There's a full screen player and everything's controlled with your fingers. Simply tap to pause, tap to play, swipe to go slow motion, do a replay. Easy as that. Pinch, get into all the best details, and relive your moments. Like deep dive into the details, take control over any moment in time with ZmBIZI and active video. And not only that, can you play with touch, feel, and play, but you can also create. So let me just try that here. I found this guy. He's pretty cool. He's moving, looks like a DJ robot. I'll share that to my friends. So what I just did now, I double tapped. I can remix this immediately as I'm playing video. That's pretty cool. I'll add some text, YOLO, this is so cool. I'll get that out to my friends. Boom, remix made. That's really intuitive. Like this is really, really easy. Like everyone knows how to do this. This is how mobile video should be. I think it's fair to say that this is so easy even a cat could play active video on ZmBIZI. Yeah, no, this is really something different. Make a new mix, share that out on any channel. Not many channels installed on this device yet, but you can see, like, yeah, easy as that. That's pretty amazing. It really feels fantastic, and to be frank again, yeah, this is how mobile video should be. Cool. Let's see what else is in this box though. This thing doesn't need it. What's this? Hey, we got a greeting card from the ZmBIZI team. What's it say? If you think you're too small to make a difference, you haven't spent the night in a tent with a mosquito. That's pretty, yeah, that's true. African proverb, it says. Let's get that over there. Small ZmBIZI pouch, what's in here? SIM injector. Manual, who needs that? Let's just have a look at that. Let's just open this and we can see if there's actually an SD card slot in there. Yeah, there we go. Like a SIM and an SD card, so that's convenient. What else? Here we go. Finally, someone put the actual charging adapter in the box again. That's neat. Let's see if we can get it out. God, this is... Yeah, let's open this thing in the meantime. What's this? Cable, USB-C. There we go. Plug it right in there. Data, charge. What else? More cables. Oh, nice. Stereo headset. That's pretty cool. Small button here. Control button, music, calls. Let's plug that into the 3.5 jack. There we go. What else is in here? Oh, nice. This is actually a phone cover. That's good. Let's get this phone protected. Slap it on there. Safe and sound. What else? What are these things? Oh, screen maintenance cloths, I guess. Something else in here as well. Nice. This is actually a screen cover, a screen protector. That's pretty cool. This will last for a long time. Let's get this thing out of here. Why is this so tight? I think we need to change the strategy here. Let's just bang it out. There we go. Alright. Now we can get the phone charged. We can listen to our music. We can touch our video. Now, all in all, this is a really good product. Like, ZmBIZI feels really good. It's sturdy. It's a good quality product. With active video, THX audio. This is the future. Have a go. Check out ZmBIZI.com. Get yours today. Thanks for checking out this, guys. Have a good one.